How to replace a transfer belt on an IntelliROL pick zone module. These are the items required. Safety. Always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures. Remove the roller on each side of the wheel bracket. Loosen and remove the 4 flange nuts. Remove the wheel bracket and old transfer belt. Install the new transfer belt on the wheel bracket. Make sure to route the transfer belt as demonstrated. First, route the transfer belt around the top wheels. Pull the transfer belt over the first bottom wheel, under the second, under the third, and over the fourth wheel. Reinstall the wheel bracket. Tighten the 4 flange nuts. Inspect the position of the transfer belt. The belt should be in the center between the wheel's side flanges. Reinstall the rollers. Make sure the O-rings are twisted clockwise. Use a flathead screwdriver to help shift the roller axle in place. For more Fortna conveyor maintenance videos, visit fortna-conveyor.com.